Hey guys, check this out. Just want to show you this tool. Is a telescopic camera literally, so you can go into tiny spaces and do some sort of inspections that you might not be able to do just with your bare eye. This is the brand, this is the case, and this is the tools already being fired up. It started. For the purpose of this video and to test this tool, I've used what is a leaf blower. There you have it. So I took the plug out, the spark plug out, just so I can see what's inside of the cylinder. And this is the tool. I'm putting it inside the cylinder, hoping to get some images. As you can see, there's a lot of deposits, black deposits. This cylinder is seized and hasn't been used for a lot of time now, years, just been sat in a garage without starting it up. And this is how the cylinder looks like. It's not the cylinder itself I want to show you, but just how impressive this tool is. You can go inside into, you see, that's where the spark plug would have been normally. So you can just go and get the view inside the cylinder and see what's literally wrong with the cylinder itself. You have this big screen, fairly big, few inches, and the images are so clear. So on the right corner you have the battery status, you have the light is on and is literally telling you the temperature, time and date. The time and date hasn't been set properly. Let's see what other function can this have. It has the zoom in. Oh my god, this is so impressive. You can literally zoom in and get a better picture. The brightness setting, you can adjust the brightness of the light, and all these other functions. You can take pictures with it. Yeah, let's get it out. Let's say for instance now we just want to check for a block vent and get to see what's inside there. So let's try and get the camera inside, see what we can get. It's not much really, it's just dust and dirt that we're gonna get from the inside. But again, we can go all the way down to the flap and see, for instance, if something is wrong with the flap. You can just go and check them. Let's put it now in this one here and see what we can get. Let's do an inspection and see what we can get. Again, the flap and just some dust. But all in all, this tool, guys, this tool is so good. You can do so many things with this tool, but I think the main purpose on the automotive industry, let's say you want to go and buy a car for yourself and it's an expensive one, especially the Porsches, you can just inspect the cylinders by using this tool. You just go inside the cylinder like this one and you see there's a lot of dirt deposits. You definitely don't want to buy a car with the cylinders looking like this, seized. You can find in the video description, you can find the link if you want to buy one of these tools. It's quite impressive. This is where you can put the card, you can store footages and all that stuff. So let me know what you think about this tool. As I said, you'll find the link in the video description. And this is what you're gonna get: the case, the user manual, and all sorts of accessories that will come along. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me know what you think about this tool. See you around.